Good morning to the community of televisions around the world, and also good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me, whatever your time zone is, wherever you are. I say you are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonolu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jua, an economic developer with TBC, and also one of the many voices of TBC around the world. On this morning, I want to give us some short nuggets that will gear us up, we stimulate and we encourage us, we stir up our passion towards achieving our desired goals, especially for life and also for our daily living. Now, for as many, especially based on the community of abundance that I'm speaking for presently, I'm sure many of you watching this one-hour televisions have heard about the billion coin. You have heard about it, but you are being pessimistic about it. No one thing that the pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity, and the optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. That's a quote ascribed to Wilson Churchill. Why are you seeing difficulty in every opportunity that has been given to you? Table say is an empowerment program that's come to change our way of life. It has come to give freedom to humanity. It has come to show mankind that God really loves us, and God created the abundance and gave to mankind. So we are being called upon to come and join this opportunity. It is not just ordinary opportunity, but it is a God-ordained opportunity. Why? Because it believes in God's existence, God's purpose for mankind, and that is why God himself creates abundance and gives mankind abundance. So we don't believe in scarcity, we don't believe in lack, we believe in abundance. We believe in the abundance that God has given to mankind. So come on board. Stop being pessimistic. You have been informed. Come on board. Join us. And you know what? Don't let your yesterday take up too much of your today. Whatever you may have encountered in the past, don't let it take too much of your today. Come up now. Join the community. Let us change the poverty system in the world. Let us change the lack system in the world. Let us change every inequality that we are facing in this planet Earth. Guess what? It is not whether you get knocked down, it is whether you get up. It is not whether you get knocked down, it is whether you get up. So whatever your state, get up. TBC has come to tell you that get up. You can make it. You can become that desired person you want in life, and you can live that dream life. So come on board and get up. TBC is a God-given vision to change the inequality in our world. So come on board. We expect you. For as many who are yet to join the community, you will see a link below this video. Click on that link, register. You can also join any of our online groups for more updates and more training. So also you can contact me to give you step-by-step guidance on how to be effective in TBC community. I love you all. Don't forget, like this video, share it, and you can subscribe to it so that you will get subsequent